Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? Today, we're going to delve deeper into SOXL and provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Our initial report on SOXL was published on our website on Wednesday, November 15, 2023. Now, we're excited to bring you an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. By tapping into the power of AI, you can access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. We want to emphasize that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 9 days, SOXL has surpassed our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 23.12% since we first recommended buying it. This translates to an average return of 2.57% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The ETF has broken a significant downward trend and is now showing signs of a slower decline. This could potentially indicate a shift in trend. On the way down, there is support at $20.37, which could provide an opportunity for a rebound. However, according to fan theory, there is a resistance level at $27.08 that may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected decrease of -18.34% over the next 3 months, with a possible range between -50.66% and -26.48%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is an expected increase of 50.23% over the next year, with a potential range between -0.163% and 110.52%. This means that the price could range from $22.59 to $47.64 after a year. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF reveals a weaker technical forecast as it has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Wednesday, November 15, 2023, the SOXL ETF price showed a gain of 2.21%, rising from $22.14 to $22.63. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.51%, reaching a day low at $22.18 and a day high of $23.18. It is important to note that the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 41.61% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded fell by -17 million on the last day, with a total of 76 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.73 billion. It is worth considering that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling forthcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 21.29% or $6.12 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.02% or $355.61 below the all-time high, which was reached on November 26, 2020, with a price of $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL. The SOXL ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support from the price levels at $20.15 and $18.30. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 55.75%. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This might be an early warning sign, and the ETF should be closely monitored. Today, we will explore some interesting signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. The moving average convergence divergence signal suggests a buy opportunity. Pivots indicate a buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 126 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 6 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 42 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for the SOXL ETF. Let's start with the downside. The ETF currently finds support just below today's level at $20.60 and $18.64. When an ETF tests a support level, there's always a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL finds support just below today's level at $20.60. If this support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.64 and $17.43. It's important to note that this ETF is considered very high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movement throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this ETF. In the last day, it had a $1 difference between its high and low, which is equivalent to 4.51%. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 6.1%. Today, we'll be exploring some potential day trading levels for SOXL, so let's dive right in. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL sits at $23.07. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be an interesting level to explore for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, if SOXL experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $20.60. This support level could potentially act as a strong entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $22, which represents a decrease of 2.78%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 86, further increasing the overall risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal generated by a pivot bottom that occurred 12 days ago. Is investing in the SOXL ETF a good decision? While there are some positive signals associated with the SOXL ETF, we believe they are not sufficient to consider it a strong buy candidate. Instead, we recommend holding or accumulating the ETF at its current level and keeping an eye on further developments. Our analysis conclusion has been downgraded from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After examining the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. When trading begins on Thursday, November 16th, we anticipate that SOXL will open at $22.66, representing an increase of $0.0333. Before we begin, let's address a crucial point: trading carries a substantial risk of financial loss. It's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the provided information, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts too, so make sure to comment below and share your opinion. What is your target for the ETF? We're excited to hear from you. And if you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Now, let's dive into the analysis and wish you successful trading ahead. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.